got the Ford Focus to a reliable point. No check engine lights are on. All electronics are working. We are good to go. Cruising at 70. No more transmission problems. No more battery lights on. No more check engine lights. People, learn how to do your own work. Don't take your butt to a mechanic shop if you can avoid it. Yeah. What's up there, guys? Drone worship in your face. So now the car's fixed, and you guys knew I was blowing a lot of money on getting that car operational and making it reliable, because I had a lot of driving to do back and forth to work. It's an hour to work every day, an hour home. Just a lot of travel, and the car was just not up for it. So after replacing like 5,000 parts, I finally believe I got the car into a reliable point to start driving it daily without issue. So with that being said, it has allowed me to finally start buying some new things for the channel that I've been wanting. So I went ahead and purchased my first 5-inch. If you guys know that Banggood is selling the Tyro for $99 right now. It's a 5-inch build. Takes all the way up to a 5S battery, 600D shot. It's actually, from what I understand, some fairly good internals. 600 milliwatt VTX. It's actually quite a little beast of a package. A lot of people are complaining about drifting, and that's because it runs single prop instead of tri-prop. So it just runs, you know, one propeller per motor instead of 3-tip or tri-blade. So I guess a lot of people are saying that it drifted all over the place on single prop, and so a lot of people switched out to tri-prop, and they're having much better results. So yeah, this is the 210 millimeter 5-inch DIY build kit with F4 on-screen display, 30 amp BL Heli, 40 channel, 600 milliwatt, 700 TVL. The only thing people were saying other than drift was that the camera is okay, which you guys know you can always upgrade the camera. So I think for the price, this is definitely going to be a fun build. I talked to Andrew. I know I told you guys I wasn't going to build, but you know, enough people have convinced me it's worth it to do your first build, so we're going to go ahead and do that. I did purchase the Tyro 99 for 99 bucks. I'm going to go ahead and post the link below if anybody wants a 5-inch. You still have to choose your receiver afterwards. And I don't believe it comes with a battery either, so you also have to choose your battery. I've got a ton of batteries. This does take XT60, so I have some 4S batteries that'll work perfect for this. So I'm good to go there already. I have a battery strap, so I'll be flying on 4S to start off with, not even 3S. We're going to move straight into 4S, but like I said, I will post this link, and I got to order some other parts that I've been needing for some of my other products that I have. The Solo is just kind of sitting right now, guys, because I really don't have time to continue with that project at the moment. I love the Solo to death, but I got to keep some more relevant content going. I will go back to some Solo stuff here in the near future. I'm waiting to see what angle that the Solex app is moving towards, and so we'll be good to go. Most of the reviews on this are 5-star reviews. There's a couple 4-star reviews, and people reminding people this is not a beginner's build. There's also some good information in here after reading through this that people said that you had to do that I was unaware of. So, but anyways, guys, you know, if you were thinking about getting an FPV and you've already flown some whoops and some micros, this next step up is a very cheap step up for 100 bucks. You know, it was exactly like $101 out the door. So very affordable 5-inch build, and from what I understand, decent internals. So, but yeah. So that's on its way. We also have to do the flight of the airplane. I have to get the Gladius out. We have to finish the 5-fish underwater review, and I have a lot to say about that. I've been documenting all my thoughts about the 5-fish, so still some interesting things to come on the channel. And of course, I'm going to continue messing with the Parrot Bebop 2 because I love it. I'm waiting on some parts to come in for my DW transmitter still. So right now it's just kind of the waiting game for all this stuff to come in so we can start the build and do all that. But first chance we get, we'll go ahead and do the flight of the airplane. I had to order a battery for that, and then I had to watch how to fly it. And I think I got pretty much the gist of the idea of how to do that down. So still very busy, working my 7 days a week, but I'm definitely lining up some ideas for YouTube that I'm going to continue going with. So, anyways, guys, drone worship, and I'm out. Remember, link will be in the description of the video if anybody wants their first 5-inch build for $99. Here it is, the Tyro 99. There's good things, there's bad things about it, but I think for a beginner build, it's actually probably a fairly good deal. So, all right, guys, I'm out of here. Toodaloo!